On today's Fast Friday, we are going to have a frank and honest discussion about Instagram. You'll get some opinions from me, all right. Let's do this. Hi everyone, welcome to Pal to Tech. I'm sure you've heard the news by now that the current head of Instagram, a Facebook executive named Adam Mosseri, went on record saying that we are no longer a photo sharing app or a Square photo sharing app. Why all the hate on Square photos? What about 16:9 landscape, right? Anyway, his statement amounts to nothing more than a typical tech company executive formalizing what's already been old news for a while now. Since about 2012, Instagram already began that slow crawl toward the end of embracing, promoting, and honoring the art of photography. There's a lot of hysteria in tech industry news and media. So much of it, in fact, that if you were to freeze dry all of the tech company bullshit into little bricks, you could build the Great Pyramids of Giza out of all the piles of it. So let me break this down for you. First off, Adam is right about one thing. Video is big and it's getting bigger. You saw this coming already, right? I mean, it's not because there's so many great quality videos out there, but because technology has made it such that anyone can create and publish video. This is a portable television studio and everyone's got one. So I recommend that you start at least looking into the art of creating video, how frame rates, bit rates, color, sound, and so forth are used in cameras like these. It's not as hard as you might be thinking. Much of the art of creating video you've already got inside you from your knowledge of photography, such as having an eye for good lighting and composition. And you should take some time to learn video creation. Here's the thing. A rhesus monkey can post a video on Instagram or TikTok. So if you're a professional photographer, your video content needs to be a lot better than that. Yes, crappy, vertical, handheld, poorly lit videos sometimes do go viral. But if you're using Instagram for business, you better start getting ahead of the curve with regard to publishing short-form video content. I will have a link down below to one individual, Reggie Ballesteros, who I think is absolutely embracing this trend. I did a podcast with him yesterday. Do yourself a favor and go check out his Instagram Reels account. When you're done watching this video, you'll see what I mean. Secondly, always remember that you should be growing your own business, not Instagram's. What do I mean by that? Well, instead of meticulously crafting, editing, and posting your photography to Instagram, where I might remind you, you are not getting paid whatsoever for all that free content you're giving to them, instead, spend your extra time learning to integrate video into your own business and client projects. Create behind-the-scenes clips, videos of yourself out shooting that you can publish on multiple platforms and services, such as your own website. Traditional videos of your clients saying how awesome you are. Short clips of you setting up your gear on location. Use video as a way for potential clients to put a face and a personality together with that awesome photographer that they're considering on hiring. You should be looking into how you can use video to enhance, not replace, nor feel that it's a threat to your photography. And who knows, you may actually enjoy creating video, which leads me to number 3. Consider starting a YouTube channel to embrace, hold on a second. Consider starting a YouTube channel, stay with me here, to embrace your new video journey, okay? YouTube is the world's second largest search engine, and it will put you in front of a massive worldwide audience. Here's 3 benefits right off the top of my head. Number 1, it can really open doors for you and you will make connections, network, and connect with potential clients and fellow creatives. Number 2, it is hard work. Trust me on that one, okay? But that's a huge benefit because you're always challenged. You're always learning new things and growing. And number 3, YouTube can actually supplement your photography income if you take it seriously. YouTube is pretty much the only social media service that offers a partnership to pay its creators specifically for the use of their content. Now, just to be clear, the money you make on YouTube, especially starting out, will be basically beer money, okay? Let me give you an example. One of the first videos I published on my channel was this 50 to 140 millimeter lens review. It's one of my more popular videos, and it's been on YouTube for 2 years. And in the entire time it's been on there, the total amount of money that it has made is $291.60. But don't go into YouTube thinking you're going to make a lot of money off the ad revenue, because you're not. Now, you probably already know this, and I feel stupid even mentioning it, but likes on Instagram and elsewhere do not pay the bills. Cold, hard cash pays the bills, okay? And while the money from YouTube isn't great, it is money, and it does supplement your income, and it will increase over time with the more videos that you publish. And finally, I want to say this. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, and so forth are not your platforms. Stop thinking of them that way. They are content publishers. And as a content publisher, they are just chasing down the trend of what's popular, what people look at, and how much time they spend using their service, right? They don't care about your photography. They only care if your photos keep people glued to their phones using their service, watching their advertising. That's it. Case closed. Nothing wrong with that. They are content publishers, not your own personal platform. So first ask yourself if continuing to use Instagram is important to you. And by important, I mean, does Instagram actually, objectively, and realistically help you to grow and promote your business to potential clients? If the answer is yes, then you should consider publishing short-form video content on their service to supplement your photos, because that's the direction they're headed. If the answer is no, then don't worry so much about it. Photographers and clients use all kinds of services today, from TikTok to Clubhouse to Discord. Go find them. Get involved with them if that's important to you. And remember that Instagram is always evolving and changing. It may be with us for another 10 years, or it may go the way of the dodo bird and MySpace. The most important player in all of this is you. Whether it's learning to create short form videos, right, to make Instagram happy, or to post behind the scenes TikTok videos of your client shoots, or to run a full-blown YouTube channel. Your passion, creativity, storytelling, and vision can succeed in whatever platform you choose. Be realistic about expectations, study those current trends driving demand, and think about how to best optimize your business to fit into these ever-changing services. Ultimately, just like this, you're in control. You have the power to decide when and how to take that shot. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video useful, or I don't know, entertaining at least. And if you did, be sure to give it the like and subscribe. I am going to be signing off now. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you in a new video next week. Take care.